It was great to see this lady. She presented with chalazion cyst, which is the commonest cystic lesion around the eyes caused by a blockage of the meibomian gland. The gold standard surgical removal is incision and drainage under some local anesthetic, and as you can see, it takes a few minutes. We invert the lid with a special clip. We drain the interior of the cyst, and we apply some topical antibiotic cream. After the procedure, it will take 1 or 2 days to recover. It is a much better way of dealing with that rather than leaving it to resolve on its own after weeks or months. If you have cysts, lumps and bumps around the eyes, come and see me as a specialist oculoplastic surgeon. I can certainly help.